In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove app search from Outlook. If you've noticed a new app search or universal search bar appearing in classic Outlook and it's getting in your way, the most reliable fix is to update Office to the latest version. Microsoft has released a patch that addresses this behavior, so bringing your Office apps up to date is the cleanest way to remove it without workarounds. Start by opening the Outlook app on your computer. We'll make the change right from within Outlook so you don't have to dig through separate tools. Once Outlook is open, look to the top left corner and select File. This takes you to the backstage view where settings and account controls live. Next, go to Office Account. This section manages your Office licensing and update settings. It's the place where you can see your current build number and whether updates are enabled. If you don't see Office Account, you may be in a different edition of Outlook. Stick with this view in Classic Outlook for Windows. In Office Account, find Update Options. This drop-down controls how your Office apps receive updates. Click it to open the menu. If the option is unavailable or grayed out, it often means updates are managed by your organization. In that case, your IT team may need to push the latest build that contains the fix. From the Update Options menu, choose Update Now. Outlook will check Microsoft servers, download the latest updates, and install the patch that removes the extra search bar. You might see a progress window, and you may be prompted to close Outlook or other Office apps while the update completes. Save any open work if prompted and let the installer finish. Once the update is done, reopen Outlook and the additional search bar should be gone. If you've updated and the bar still remains, there is a temporary workaround. You can disable updates and revert Office to a previous version where the issue didn't appear. This is best used as a short-term measure if you must remove the bar immediately and the fixed build isn't working for your environment. Keep in mind, rolling back can also roll back security fixes and features, so treat it as a stopgap until you can run the latest stable release again. That's it. By updating Office from within Outlook, File, Office Account, Update Options, then Update Now, you apply Microsoft's patch and remove the extra app search bar in Classic Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your inbox.